Good morning, children. I'm Dr. Jasmine. Welcome to Stellar Laboratory. Over here, you will do some science experiments to learn about the importance of taking precautions and practicing correct hygiene practice through a lot of fun activities.
Children, we are going to collect your used face mask into a mask seedling bag.
You need to solve the puzzles, and the puzzle pieces are hidden all around the room. Look at your hands now. Can you see the glitters? Your hands full of germs now. We need to wash our hands.
Welcome children to our spin the wheel activity. This activity will help to boost our immune system in your body to fight against the coronavirus.
This vaccine helps us to stay away from the viruses. Do you want to have a look at our vaccine? 1, 2, 3. Children, where is the vaccine? Should we check the CCTV?
This is butterfly pea water. You may spray it on the paper and you can find the clues.
The box to keep the vaccine is not strong enough. Let's work together and build a stronger wall.
So children, do you know how the vaccines go into our body?
In the end, it was Dr. Rachel who took away the vaccine. She needs the vaccine to help her family. However, she can't afford the vaccine. Thank you for helping me to find the vaccine bag. But until now, Dr. Rachel still can't get the vaccine.
So children, let's make a mask keeper to try in with Stella Bank.
Welcome to Stella Bank. You can butter tray the mask keeper with gardening tools.
Are you ready to dig the vaccine?
Do you know you can help to make more vaccine by mixing the butterfly pea water and lemon juice?
What's the vaccines between you and your friends? The vaccines for friendship is love.